Hi there! In today's video, we will be talking about how to add shopping cart to Wix website. Without wasting any time, let's jump into it. So as you can see, I am on Wix dashboard. First, make sure that you're on the right side. For this tutorial, I'm gonna use the For Demo site here. Then, let's just click on Edit Site. When you're on the editor's page, click on the Add Elements option here. Then different element options will appear. Just click on Store. Then you can either click on Add to Cart button or Cart icon. Then choose and drag the button to the page. You can put it wherever you want. You may also resize the button here. Now, while it is selected, click on the Settings button here. And here, you will be able to edit the design of the button according to your liking. You can also click on Manage to add or organize your products. Or you can also manage your store if you already have an existing store here. But that's simply how you can add shopping cart to your Wix website. I hope this video helped you out. Thanks for joining us today and see you in our next video.